woodturners and makers, and a warm welcome back to my channel. Right, for this week's project of obviously a bit of walnut. Just see me sanding down and turning it to round, and the reason why I'm going to make a bowl out of it, and using the method that the Papa 1947 showed us how to make. And Gary, I've made one of them, so I'm going to have a go at making a bowl like he does. So basically I'm going to steal your idea. So we'll see you at the lathe. Okay then, right, so I've got my jig ready at 45, so we'll get this stuck on there using the clamp. I should clamp that on lovely, which is that. And now I'm just going to use my square. That's it, that is actually bang on, it's square in there. So now I can put my homemade little resty thing there, tighten that up, just to be on the safe side. I'll put that on there. Just to give it that extra bit more hold on it. That's it. So that allows me then to move that up and down. So right, I'm going to figure out now where my first ring cut is. Which I think I cut it about there. First ring there, then hopefully the other ring will be about there. So I've got me what they call pointed tool, parting tool if you want to say. My angle is 35 degrees, so and all I've got to do is just run that in like so. So we'll just check that out a bit more. That should go in perfectly about there. Just a bit more. Actually that's nice and tight. Okay then. So we get the control over this end. Just all the case. And away we go. Pushing about 5.5. Okay then, so that's we are. The rings are now cut out. So we'll put that ring there. We'll put this on, and I have left little marks on, so I know. So we're going to just do that. The pencil line round it, and then using Tide Bond glue we can throw a load of glue around it. That's it then. So we'll leave that overnight now to dry, and then we'll check it in the morning and then get it back on the lathe, so we can do a walnut bowl. So until it dries, next time I'll see you, we'll be on the lathe. See you in a minute. Okay, and welcome to the lathe now. Right, it's all dried up on there now. I have cleaned it up just a bit to get rid of that excessive glue that was going down. Just trued that edge up a bit, just to give me a chance. So now it's just a matter of just cleaning that up now, and then we'll get on the back end. I'll use the 3/8 bowl gouge on it. Put about 8.5, and let's go. A bit better. Alright, what I've got to do now, we'll get the back side done now, and we can do some sanding. Just put the gouge on that a bit, just on there. And that's a lot better. Right, so we'll have a go on the back end a bit and see how we get on. Okay then, so right, I'll put a board on the back just to try and help with the vibration on it a bit. Okay, and welcome back. Right, so power sanded from 80 down to 120. I'm now going to put some sanding sealer on it. I have just glued, doing bits of gluing where the wood had, you know, a few little gaps. There's still one there, but you know, it is just a practice piece to have a go at this. The Papa's invention, you know, his way of doing these bowls. I just wanted to have a test. I'll get some better wood and, you know, have another go eventually. So for my first one, I will get some sanding sealer on it now, and that should bring it all out. Okay then, right, so the Yorkshire grit is now gone on. So then now my second phase now is a couple of coats of wood wax 22 followed by the Sheen microcrystalline wax, and then I'll get it off the glue chuck and then I'll meet it over the signboard and we'll have a talk about it. Till then, see you at the signboard. Okay then, so we are finally done. I put 3 coats of wood wax 22 followed by a coat of microcrystalline wax. I think I got that right. Anyway, a big thank you to Papa Gary. I'll leave a link in the description below to his channel. A big thank you to you, mate, for inspiring me to have a go at making one of these jigs and making things like this on the lathe. So there it is. It's roughly 9.5 inches across and 2.5 inches in depth, I believe, and it is walnut. So like I said, a big thank you to Gary for sharing his ideas with us lot as well, so we lot, and it inspires us to have a go, and a big thank you to him, mate. So there you are. I quite enjoyed doing that one. So if you wouldn't mind, would you please like, share, press that squidgy button. Till next time, bye now.